Good evening. Yes, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, let us continue with the centroid and moment of inertia. So in the last class, we have studied about the centroid. Okay, so here what you have to do, just you have to remember the formula. Maximum you have to remember all the formulas. Okay. So whenever a plane figure is given, okay, I will take some simple figure first. So in order to understand simple figure, so this is rectangle. So the size of the rectangle is given by the dimension is, okay. So this is B and this is D. Okay, first of all, I have to determine it's a centroid. So what is my first step? I have to draw the reference axis. Okay, so what is the reference axis? The reference axis are those axes in which the centroid of a section is located with respect to those axes. Okay, first of all, I have to draw reference axis. Okay, so how to draw the reference axis? At the bottommost line and at the leftmost line. Okay, in this figure, the bottommost line is, this is the bottommost line, correct? Yes. Okay, next, and leftmost line is, this is the leftmost line. Is it correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So iska center kahan par rehta? So that is nothing but your, this will be at this point. This is the centroid of this rectangle. Okay, so here this can be denoted like this. See, so from this axis to this axis, this is x bar, and from the this axis to this axis is y bar. Okay, so this is y bar from the reference axis. This is x bar. Is it correct, everyone? Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the area for this rectangle area? What is the formula area for rectangle? B into D. Then I want to calculate x bar. What will be the x bar value?
B by
It is along the x direction. Along the x direction, it is B. That is B by 2, half of breadth. Correct? Then y bar is equal to, what is y bar? That is D by 2. Is it understood, everyone? Yes. So I will take, in the similarly, I will take one more diagram. So that will be a triangle I will take. So, okay, this is the triangle. The base will be denoted as, it is B, and height will be denoted as H. Okay, so what is my first step? Can you tell me what is my first step? The reference axis. The reference axis should be drawn at the bottommost line, and I should draw at the leftmost line. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Where is its centroid? Its centroid will be somewhere here. Okay, here. So I have to calculate its centroid. So its centroid I have to calculate. This is your x bar and this is your y bar. Okay, so its value I have to write it. So this is x bar and this is y bar. Okay, so first of all, tell me what is the value for area of the triangle?
1/2 base into.
So area is equal to 1/2 B into H. Correct? Yes. Next, I have to calculate x bar. What is its x bar from the reference axis? So B by 2.
3.
B by 3. That is 1/3 from the base. Okay, 1/3. X bar is equal to 1/3 of base. Then can you tell me what is the total height? H. Then can you tell me y bar? Yes. Y bar is equal to h by 3. Okay, 1/3 of height. That is all this x bar and y bar we have calculated from the origin, correct. If at all I want to calculate from the apex, this is apex. Okay, this is apex. So इधर देखो, इधर से reference axis से calculate किया. In case if I want to calculate this value from this point, okay, just I am showing this one from this point to this point. Okay, if you take this one, then your x bar will be 2/3 of b, 2/3 of b from the apex. Okay, if you want to calculate the y bar from the apex, this value, that will be 2/3 of h.
H.
Apex means top. Okay, apex, and base means origin. So this is origin. Okay, apex means this is apex. Okay, here this is apex means this is top one. Okay, but from the origin matlab this is base. Is it clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
For the rectangle, there is only one x bar and y bar is b by 2 and d by 2. But for the triangle, from the base 1/3 of b and 1/3 of h. From the apex, 2/3 of h and 2/3 of b. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So I will not write this one point. Just I will write first point only. So आपको वो भी समझ में रहने का. Okay. So one more point. I will take circle. Okay. So this is the circle I have taken. First, what is my first step? Reference axis. Okay. So this is the reference axis. This is the reference axis, and one more will be this will be the reference axis. Okay. So next, what I have to draw? I have to locate its centroid. So centroid will be, I will take it is, this will be centroid. Then I will draw x bar and y bar. So this is my x bar and this is my y bar. Okay. Then tell me, what is the area of this circle?
5D.
Yes, it is. Area is equal to, if I take this is a d value, then pi d square by 4. If you take r value, then it is pi r square. Correct na, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. What I will take? I will take r only. Okay. So it is pi r square. Okay. Then can you tell me? Okay. This is x bar and this is y bar. Correct? Can you tell me what is x bar value? X bar is equal to r. R only. No r by 2. If it is d, then d by 2. Okay, here its value is r only, correct?
Yes.
Then y bar is equal to, can you tell me y bar?
4r upon 3 pi.
Or you can write it is d by 2. If it is diameter is given, you can write it is d by 2. Or you can write it is pi by 4 d square. Okay, is it correct, everyone? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Okay, next, if at all only semicircle is given, then how to do that one? Okay. If at all only semicircle is given, so all of you concentrate. Semicircle. So first of all, I have to draw reference axis. So this is my reference axis, and one more will be, this is my reference axis.
So semicircle.
Wait. So here it is difficult to draw the semicircle. That's why I have taken. Okay. Okay, think that this is a semicircle. Okay, its radius will be, it is how much it is, radius will be, it is R. Okay, radius of this semicircle is R. Okay, this is R. Next, where will be its centroid? Its centroid will be somewhere here. Okay, so I have to locate its x-axis and x bar and y bar. So this will be the x bar value. This will be x bar value, and this will be the y bar value. Okay, so how to look at this one? This is x bar and this is y bar. So can you tell me what is the area for this semicircle?
Pi
Pi
r
r
square
square upon 2. Okay, divided by 2. Then can you tell me what is x bar? X bar from the reference axis. Where is reference axis? This is the reference axis.
Yes,
Total
sir.
along the horizontal direction, it is 2r total. I want half of the r, that is only r. Okay, then y bar is equal to 4r
4
upon
r
3
by
pi.
3
4r
pi.
upon 4r upon 3 pi. Is it clear,
Sir,
everyone?
कसं घेतलं सर परत करा रिपीट
Yes. See, I want to calculate. This is the centroid. इसका डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने का टोटल हॉरिजॉन्टल में कितना है, टोटल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट कितना है, 2r. करेक्ट. आई वांट ओनली हाफ, दैट इज 2r अपॉन r, 2r अपॉन 2, दैट इज विल बी r आ गया है. देन दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला, दिस ऑल आर स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला. इसका हाइट में है ना वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस y बार इज इक्वल टू इट इज 4r अपॉन 3 pi. हाइट, टोटल हाइट कितना है, टोटल हाइट r है, बट सेंट्रॉइड इज लोकेटेड एट ए 4r upon 3 pi. 4r upon 3 pi. दिस इज फॉर्मूला. इधर कैसे आ गया d/2. दिस इज फ्रॉम द डेरिवेशन. ओके, देयर इज अ फंडामेंटल डेरिवेशन है, वो डेरिवेशन से आएगा, बट डेरिवेशन नहीं पूछते आपको, डायरेक्टली यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट इज b. इधर d/2 कैसे याद रखें ना, वैसे ये भी 4r upon 3 pi. अभी देखो one more diagram I will draw. हाँ all these will be asked in your multiple choice questions. अभी देखो quarter circle I will take quarter circle. All of you concentrate. Okay, I will draw here quarter circle. So this is what. Okay, so quarter circle will be like this. It is only. Yes, this is the quarter circle. Okay, so this will be along the horizontal direction, radius is r. Along the vertical direction, radius is r. Correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. इसका centroid कहाँ पर है? इधर है. एक मिनट. I will tell. Okay, so whether this answers are correct or not. Okay, I have to determine x bar and I have to determine y bar. Okay, so what will be the value? So first of all, what is the value of area? Tell me. Pi r square divided by 4. Yes, 4. Okay, एक सर्कल में 4 बांट गया. Oh, this is 5r square by 4. Then can you tell me x bar?
4 pi upon 3 pi.
Yes, 4r upon 3 pi. Okay, then what is the value of y bar? Yes, 4r upon 3 pi. Is it understood, everyone? Yes. Now
Yes,
I will
sir.
go back to the semicircle. Okay, इसमें क्या किया था देखो, y bar में कितना आया था, 4r upon 3 pi. Along the vertical direction r था, इसके लिए 4r upon 3 pi. Along the horizontal direction 2r था, so 2r equal to that is r by 2 आ गया. That is 2r upon by 2, that will be r. Is it understood, everyone?
सर x बार के लिए हम d/2 भी लिख सकते हैं ना?
Yes, x bar equal to d/2 भी लिख सकते हैं. This value is d/2. Okay, इधर क्या लिखने का, 4d divided by 6 pi लिख सकते हैं, but that will be confusion for you. Okay, this
Yes,
is the
sir.
best value, 4r upon by 3 pi. ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these standard 4 formula you have to remember. One is for rectangle, next one is for triangle, circle, semicircle, or quarter circle. Everybody, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class I had given one problem. Have you solved that one?
Yes, sir.
Answer आ गया क्या? Correct answer. One more point. All of you concentrate. Whenever you are drawing the reference axis towards the positive side गए तो it is positive value लेने का, left side गए तो negative value लेने का. Okay, if at all the figure is having portion, okay, this is one part and there will be another part like this. Okay, there will be another part and there will be another part like this. Okay, in case some portion is there is a circle and this is a part, it is left side of the reference axis. Okay,
Yes,
negative
sir.
लेने का. Okay, if at all the same portion is in the right side, ऐसा ही तो that will be positive लेने का. Everyone, is it clear? Or else अब क्या करने का? You have to select the reference axis at the leftmost line. So either leftmost line कहाँ था? इधर था. So you can take this value and you can take all the values as positive values. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
In
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
last example, we have seen the reference axis was given somewhere in the section and part of the section is left side. उस time हम क्या किया था? X bar was negative
Negative.
लिया था. Okay, okay. So
सर
now, हाँ,
कल का एग्जाम्पल का सेमी सर्कल का फिर से बताइए, वो
हाँ,
पार्ट
ठीक
को
है,
बोलिए.
ठीक है. I will draw the same diagram. Okay, I will draw the same diagram. So this was a reference axis he has given already. Okay, and there is a rectangle. Okay, all of you concentrated the last example. कल का example है. Okay, this is the part like this was given, and there will be like this. It was given, and again there is a semicircle. Okay. Okay, think that it is. Okay, it is semicircle ऐसे है. ऐसे था ना? So what I will do? I will divide this semicircle total section into three parts. Okay, see, either उन्होंने दिया था reference axis was this is. Okay, in case reference section either leftmost लिया तो I will take all the values as positive. अभी इधर इन्होंने इधर दिया था ना, इसके लिए I am locating its a centroid with respect to these two reference axes. Okay, so I have taken first one is semicircle दिया था ना,
Yes.
second one is rectangle, third one is triangle. Okay, so all of you concentrate. What is the value for the first one? First one is semicircle. Okay. What is the area for the semicircle?
R
R
by
square
two.
upon 2. Okay. Next, I will not write values. Directly I will write only formula. X bar. X bar means इधर से इधर जाने का ना,
Minus.
नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में जाने का.
Yes, sir.
नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में. So value positive आता है कि नेगेटिव आता है?
Negative.
Negative.
Okay. So along the horizontal direction, total value कितना है? R है. Correct?
R.
ये पूरा value. So at what distance centroid is located? 4r upon 3 pi. Okay. So x bar is equal to 4r upon 3 pi. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. कोई और दूसरे लोगों को सभी को समझ में आए? 4r upon 3 pi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, y bar value I will write. So along the y direction कितना है total कितना है? 2r. So that is
2r.
r value, y bar. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, second value. Second is what? Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Okay. So what will be the formula for rectangle?
B
B into
Base into
D.
height.
Okay, or B into H or B into D. Then x bar value. X bar is इसका centroid कहाँ पर है? इधर है. So you have to look at this value. This is actually you have to take x1, y1. Okay, this is x2, y2. X2 will be along the horizontal direction. What is the value? It is b. So it is b by 2. Correct formula. Then y2 along the y direction, it is d by 2. D by 2. Correct, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will take third one. What is third one? Triangle. So what is the
Triangle.
area for the triangle?
1/2
One half
B into
base is the
H.
height.
Okay. I have to look at X bar. Yes, all of you concentrate now. Okay. Yeah, sorry, X3 it is. Yes, all these values are. It is X3. Yes, now concentrate. So X3. How to look at X3? So it's a CG centroid of this section is lies here. Okay. I have to. I'm referring from the reference axis. Correct? All of you. So reference axis means here to here how much it is? B plus from remaining one. How much it is?
3.
It is
3/3.
see along the horizontal direction कितना है रहता है इधर B रहता, so it is 1/3 of B from the base plus 1/3 of B. So इधर कितना लिखा था मैंने 6 मीटर लिखा था एक्चुअली 6 था, इसके लिए 6 plus 1/3 of base कितना है 3 मीटर. Suppose all of you concentrate, आपका रेफरेंस एक्सिस इसी तरफ है ओके, अपेक्स तरफ उसी टाइम कितना आता था 2/3 of B. Correct everyone? If your reference axis is here, I will draw. Okay, just for your understanding purpose. Okay, इधर रहता था. So at that time your centroid for the triangle is 2/3 of B. Correct everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, now I will not take that point. Just you can concentrate at this point. Okay. Next, what is the value? What is remaining? Y3 is remaining. So along the y direction, what is total height? It is H. So I want 1/3 of H. 1/3 of H. Okay. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is there any doubt? किसी को doubt है क्या? Answer calculate किया सब लोग?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
कितना आ
sir.
गया? Total X
Same.
bar
2.99.
99. Okay.
X
Next.
bar is equal to
Y bar is equal to
2.95. Y bar is equal to
1.89. Correct again?
1.8.
Okay.
meter.
So how to locate that values in the diagram? Okay. Just I will locate this one. See, 2.9 from the reference axis. This is your reference axis. Correct? Y direction, Y axis. इससे total कितना है width of the rectangle? 6 meter है. 2.99 is nearly 3. Okay. I will locate at this point. Okay. Next, Y bar. Y bar is from the X axis. Okay. So total height कितना है? 4 meter है. 4
Yes,
meter
sir.
is 1.89 Y bar आ गया. That is nearly 2 meter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from this point to this point, this will be okay. So I will draw reference axis. This will be CG. Okay. Then your X bar is X bar. This is X bar and this is Y bar. So I will write this is X bar and this is Y bar. Everyone, is it understood? Yes, sir. Yes, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
See, I am not locating this X bar from this edge. Correct? I am locating from the reference axis. That's why I have taken their minus. If you take plus value there, then your reference axis should be here. इधर से denote करना चाहिए था आपको. समझ में आ गया सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is there any doubt? Yes. Can I go for next problem?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. All of you take down next problem. Question. Find the center of gravity or centroid. You can take. Okay. Find CG for given figure. Center of gravity. G means central. Okay. Sometimes, but we are taking plane figures only. Solid figure we are not. Solid figure लिए तो center of gravity लिखने का. Plane figure है तो just centroid लिखने का. Okay. All of you are writing. Draw this diagram. Here he has given A, this is B, this is C, this is D, E, F, G. Okay, G is centroid. Centroid है ना, इसके लिए मैंने change करता है इसके value. Okay, instead of G, I will take it is H, because G is denoted for the centroid. Okay. So this is the figure he has given. Okay. This will be solid figure. Okay. Part of this work is removed. This is having radius R. So this R is equal to 90 mm. 90 mm is removed. A semicircle of radius R is equal to 90 mm is cut out from a trapezium. The given figure is trapezium. From trapezium. Okay. So as your paper is online, he will use only standard figure, and he will ask directly x bar, y bar, and your h, that is area formula. Okay, you should be familiar. So this will carries for the 6 marks. इसका centroid locate करने के लिए 6 marks मिले. Just I will give you for your understanding purpose. Okay. Yes. ऐसे भी कर सकते. Yes. Can you tell me how to solve this portion and this problem? All of you.
Sir, perpendicular drawn करके.
Yes. So what I will do, I will take entire trapezium as a solid one first. I will reduce this semicircle. I will deduct. ऐसे भी कर सकते. Or else what else you can do? You can divide this trapezium into one triangle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will draw that one just for your understanding purpose. Okay, so this is one triangle. Okay, so think that this is actually a triangle and this is actually क्या रहना चाहिए था, diagram थोड़ा अलग होना हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Actually diagram में कैसे आना चाहिए था? Okay, I will draw. Okay, this is one point and this is one point. Okay. Now the diagram is correct. I see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the figure which is given. Yes. This is 200 mm. It was given. 200 mm. Now I will divide. This is one triangle. This is one solid rectangle. This is third triangle. Okay. So it means one trapezium आ गया total minus this. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. Total 4 part divide कर सकते हैं. Everyone. Total कितने parts divide करने का? This is 1 part. This is second part. पूरा solid. Okay. पूरा solid. Second part. This is third part. This is minus semicircle. ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो डायरेक्ट ट्रेपेजियम माइनस सेमी सर्कल वैसे भी कर सकते हैं। सो कैसे करेंगे आप बोलिए, आप जैसे बोलते वैसे करेंगे।
ट्रापेजियम माइनस
ट्रेपेजियम को माइनस करेंगे।
यस
ओके ओके, सो इफ एट ऑल ट्रेपेजियम चाहिए तो आई विल डिवाइड, ओके आई विल राइट इट इज वन इज ट्रेपेजियम माइनस सेमी सर्कल करते हैं। ओके नाउ ही हैज गिवन, he has not given any reference axis, so by using your symmetrical axis I will draw, find out what is symmetrical axis. The
along y
yes, yes,
along
these are
y
the axis which cuts the entire section into two equal parts. Okay,
y
when you cut that section, when you merge it, the section should be same, coincide hone ka. Okay, so I will take one section, I will take one section and I will cut it. I say section liya, so I will overlap this one. Is it similar?
No,
Similar
sir.
होता क्या? About
No,
the
sir.
x-axis, is it similar? No,
No,
it
sir.
is not symmetrical about x-axis. समझ में आ गया? Then I will
Yes,
take
sir.
one more section like this. Okay, about y-axis, I will cut and I will merge, overlap these two. Is it symmetrical?
Yes,
Yes. It means the section is symmetrical about which axis? X-axis or y-axis? Y-axis. If the section is symmetrical about y-axis, which one will be equal to 0? X bar is equal to 0. X bar is equal to 0. Yes, very good. So what I will do, I will write that point. I will write that point. Yes. Yes. The section. Yes, the section. Is, tell me, is symmetrical.
about x-axis.
y-axis.
Symmetrical
about
about
y-axis.
y-axis. About y-axis. Y-axis. Okay. Therefore, it's a CG. It's CG will lie on this y-axis, on this y-axis. Therefore, it's a y bar is equal to I have to calculate. Actually, y bar I have to calculate, and x bar is equal to. Can you tell me x bar? X bar is equal to 0. X bar is equal to 0. 0 from the y-axis. Okay, y-axis. Y-axis. If you take reference axis here, then can you tell me now? See, if you take reference axis here, can you tell me what is x bar value? All of you? It is not 0. X bar is not equal to 0. Can you tell me what will be x bar?
150.
Yes, 150 is correct answer, because along the x-axis, total is how much? Total is 3. 300 divided by 2. So that will be equal to
150.
x bar is equal to 150 from reference axis. See, you have to concentrate which word I am telling, whether it is about a centroidal axis or with whether it is with respect to symmetrical axis or with respect to reference axis. X bar is equal to 0 from which axis? From the symmetrical axis. Correct? So now I will take x bar is equal to, I will write or x bar is equal to 300 divided by 2. It is equal to 150 mm. Okay, from which axis? Reference axis. Okay, so I will write the both point. I will write. Okay, आपको confusion नहीं होने का इसके लिए. See, so x bar is equal to 0 from tell me, from symmetrical axis. Or x bar is equal to 300 divided by 2, that is equal to 150 from reference axis.
From reference axis.
दोनों आंसर is correct, but when you locate from the figure diagram, that will be correct. Okay, अभी देखो आप इधर से भी locate कर सकते हैं, that is 150 बोल सकते हैं, नहीं तो if you take symmetrical axis it will be 0. समझ में आ गया सभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next one more. X bar तो fix हो गया. Next what is remaining? Y bar is remaining. So how to solve that Y bar? So first one. So I will take first section. What is first section? Entire
Trapezium.
Trapezium. Okay, so trapezium का फॉर्मूला याद है सभी को? हाँ, ओके, it is देखो, b total larger edge base and top b. I will take this is larger is b1 bottom and top is b2. b1 plus b2 divided by 2 and I will take height is h into h. Okay, so area of the trapezium is equal to b1 plus b2 divided by 2 into height h. Everyone समझ में आ गए?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
the area of the trapezium. You have to remember this one. Okay, I will substitute the values. Okay, what is your b1? b1 is bottom width. Bottom width. How much is bottom width?
300.
300 plus b2 is top width. What is top width?
200.
200. Okay, it is 200 divided by 2 divided by 2 into what is the height of the total trapezium?
120.
120.
120. Okay, next calculate answer. You will get 30,000 mm square. Okay, is it clear everyone? Okay, next, is it necessary to calculate the value of x1? Already हमको x bar मिल गया ना इधर, so once if you calculate x bar, इधर जरूरत नहीं x bar calculate करने का. Okay, so next I will go for y1. I will take this is y1. Okay, y1 का formula है, this is one standard formula you have to remember. So formula is h by 3, you have to write on this one, into b1 plus 2 times of b2 divided by b1 plus b2. Okay, this is formula you have to remember. b1 means larger base, b2 means top base, top width, bottom width, top width. Okay, so substitute. What is the height? 120 divided by 3 into b1 means bottom, that is 300 plus 2 times of top, that is into 200 divided by what is your b1? 300 plus 200. Yes, can you tell me what is the value for? So first कैसे करने का? टाइप करो 300 plus 2 into 200 is correct. 56 is correct answer. Divided by answer करने का divided by 500 करने का into 120 by 300. So I am getting answer 56. Is it correct everyone? Yes. So next one is, what is the section? So second section, semicircle, correct? Semicircle. Okay, what is the area for the semicircle? Pi r square upon 2. Okay, pi is given, r is equal to 90 is given, 90 square divided by 2. Yes, so I am getting it is 4050 pi. I am keeping pi value as it is. If you want to substitute, you can substitute and calculate. Okay, for my understanding, I have taken as it is. Then I will go for y2 value. Y2. So what? See from the figure. All of you concentrate. So this is the semicircle, correct? Yes. I have to go in a y direction. Okay, I have to locate it as centroid. This is a centroid, yes, correct? Yes. So can you tell me what is the centroid for the semicircle? 2 by 3 by 1 by 3. Yes, all of you. 4 r upon 3 pi. 4 r upon 3 pi. So this is 4 r upon 3 pi. Correct, everyone? Yes. 4 into r is 90 divided by 3 pi. Okay, so I will take it is 120 divided by pi mm. Okay, next, sir, how to determine my y bar? Can you tell me how to determine y bar? Summation of a into y divided by summation of a. Expand karo, expansion karo. A1 y1
A2 plus A2 y2.
Wrong. Yes. Is it plus or minus?
minus.
minus a2 is minus a2 y2 divided by a1 minus a2. समझ में आ गया? Why I have taken minus? Because in the figure,
No, sir.
this semicircle is removed. Okay, इसके लिए minus करने का. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you can substitute all the values. What is your a1 value? a1 is equal to 30,000. a1 is equal to 30,000 into y1 is equal to 56 into 56 minus a2 is equal to 4050 into pi divided by no, I should multiply a2 by y2 120 divided by pi. This pi get cancelled. Divided by a1 is 30,000 minus 4050 pi. So calculate pi bar, how much you will get? इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करने का 22/7. How much value you will get? Alpha calculate.
11679.
No. See, total height कितना है ट्रेपेजियम का? 120 है. Your y bar should be less than 120 रहने का ना? Y bar should be less than 120 रहने का. Yes. Calculate. So how to do? So calculator में कैसे करने का? Bracket कर bracket. Okay. So divided by again open the bracket, close the bracket. Calculator में within one slot में आंसर कर सकते. 30,000 into 56 minus 4050 into 120.
69.11.
Yes. Correct.
69.11.
Yes, very good. 69.11. Okay. 11 and 9. From which axis? From the reference axis. Correct? No answer? Yes.
Yes,
So how to locate that in the figure? See here, आपको समझ में आने के लिए I have taken two values. One is x bar is equal to 0 and one more x bar is equal to 150. But when you are showing this in the diagram, you have to take only one value. Okay. So which value will you consider? Whether will you consider from the symmetrical axis or will you consider from the reference axis? Symmetrical axis. Okay. So in case symmetrical axis लिया तो okay, you have to show this is symmetrical axis. Correct? So its x bar will be 0. Okay. Then I will show one more. Y bar. Y bar is how much? Total is 120. हमारा कितना हो गया? Y bar is 69 point something. So इस semicircle का कितना है? Radius 90 mm है. It means semicircle से ऊपर जाता क्या? Semicircle के नीचे जाता? नीचे रहता. So it means I will take this will be somewhere. This will be the centroid of the section. Okay. So I will draw. This is section. This is centroid. Okay. I will draw one more line. This is the centroid. Okay. So next you can draw. This is the y bar value. Y bar from this value. Okay. X bar it is not necessary to show because the x bar I have taken symmetrical. Okay. That's why it is not necessary to show. Okay. So this is the y bar value. Everyone, is it understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Is there any doubt? The thing is, you have to remember this formula. This is very, very important. This formula, because in the multiple choice question, he may give directly one trapezium, determine its area. So in order to save your time, you should remember this formula and it's a CG also. Okay, all of you read out.
सर जर यात 4 पार्ट केले तर मधला पार्ट मग कसा येणार आपला?
Yes,
Shape कोणता असणार?
yes, I will tell. अभी देखो, in case आपको area of trapezium पता नहीं, okay? हम मैंने कैसे करते हैं? 4 पार्ट डिवाइड करते हैं. Okay, so 4 पार्ट किया तो this is first one is triangle. इसका एरिया का फाइंड आउट करने का, इसका y1 का फाइंड आउट करने का. Then this is second part is rectangle, पूरा rectangle लेने का. Next उसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करने का, उसका y2 फाइंड आउट करने का. Next third one is this is rectangle, triangle. इसका एरिया and it's a y3 फाइंड आउट करने का. Then माइनस सेमीसर्कल का फाइंड आउट करने का, इसका एरिया एंड इसका y4 फाइंड आउट करने का. वो इजी है ना आपको? देन कैसे करने का, y बार वैल्यू, ओके जस्ट अ मिनट, ओके y बार वैल्यू कैसे लिखते हैं, y बार इज इक्वल टू, हाँ टेल मी, a1 y1 प्लस a2 y2 प्लस a3 y3 माइनस a4 y4
Y4.
divided by a1
A1 plus A2 plus
a2
A3 minus
plus
A4.
a3 minus a4.
A4.
Understand
Yes.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
ऐसे स्प्लिट किया तो ऐसे लिखने का, but the answer will be same. Whatever answer you have got now, you will get the same answer. समझ में आ गए?
Yes, sir.
रेक्टेंगल से सेमी सर्कल माइनस करना है का?
Yes, सेमी सर्कल माइनस करने का. क्यों माइनस करने का? Because this semicircle part is removed from the trapezium. Okay, उन्होंने डायग्राम में ऐसे दिया ना, हैचिंग. हैचिंग मींस जो फिगर सेक्शन है, this semicircle is removed. He has given a semicircle of radius r is equal to 90 mm is cut out from a trapezium. He has given already. Okay, इसके लिए वो माइनस करना. क्या? हाँ, you can take it as a homework. That is section 1, 2, 3, 4. You can find out that also.
Yes, sir.
Take it as a homework and you can cross check करा सर. y1 is equal to h by 3. Just a minute. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So whatever notes I am having, I will take this jump scanner. I will do the PDF and I will upload that also. I am having varieties of problems. I